Hello office executives. In this particular Excel video I will be showing you that the values. So there are salespersons under name and then zone and then the sales amount, the sales value. Now whoever sold greater than 90, those will be highlighted with some formatting and how to do so. So for the first cell we will be right clicking on it and then go to the format cells, and from there we will be going to the custom. So as you all know that within the first braces we need to write the color code. So the first braces is for the color code, it's red, and what is the condition? Greater than or equal to 90. So if it is greater than equal to 90, the value would be shown along with something else would be shown, like something like window dot, that is window period, and let me just give a right. Fine. So let me close it. So this is the formatting, and let me close the semicolon and hit OK. So since 93 is greater than, it's greater than 90, it's now we'll be copying the format. So let's drag all the way across to the down, and instead of copy cells, what we'll be doing is that we'll be field formatting only from this uh, autofill dialog box. So the value or the sales data where the value is greater than 90, it matches the criteria, those are being highlighted with red color along with a tick mark. That's all for this Excel video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.